Hello from New Options New Mexico. First of all, I see that some of the jobs have red dots and some of them have green dots. The ones that have all green dots are jobs that my skills qualify me for. The ones that have red dots mean that I'm missing some or all these skills. In fact, here I'm not skilled up enough in any of the categories, reading, locating information, or applied math. Some of the positions like this one, my reading score is fine, my applied math score is fine, locating information, not good enough. If I get to a job that I'm not qualified for and it turns out I really want it, there is something I can do. I can raise my work key score by studying a little more and then going back and retaking the test. The way to do this is to hit skill up. I get to a place where I can ask for an account for something called KeyTrain. This is an online study guide, class type thing, workbook that allows me to practice over and over again the skill that I'm missing so that when I retest I can do better. So if I were to fill this out and hit send, it sends an email to Innovate Educate. They send back a password and a username for a KeyTrain account. I get into that account and I can start learning new things that I need to know in order to get a higher score. Then I need to retake the test, and on the home page there's a tiny little thing that says don't have scores. If I click on that, I get a list of all the places that I can go and get retested for free. If you find a job that you really like, something that you want to work for in the future to be able to become an architect, an engineer, whatever, your skills aren't high enough, there is a way to do it completely for free. You just have to sit down for the computer for a while and teach yourself what you need to know, and you can go and get retested for free.